Assalamualaikum. Good morning to everyone. My name is Muhammad Naeem. I would like to extend my warmest wishes to you all on the beginning of our new academic year 2021 to 2022. I am your class teacher of level 8, also math teacher. So now let's move to studying all of these books and copies. I will show one by one of each book. This is your novel book and name is Kidnap, written by Robert Louis Stevenson, and you will write all the questions in your this copy. And then I will show third edition New Oxford Modern English Level 8 by Nicholas Horsburgh and Calvary Horsburgh, and you will solve all the activities in this copy. And then students, this is your workbook of New Oxford Modern English. You will all the activities solve from textbook questions in also workbook. So this is your workbook. And then Meri Asan Islamia level 8, and you will solve all the activities questions in this copy. And then beta, there are two books of science. This is textbook and this is workbook. So beta, I show this is a textbook for secondary classes science fact file 3 by David Kopock, and then you will use copy for this. And then this is science facts file 3 workbook 3, and you will solve all the questions and activities in this book. And then beta, there is a Oxford Secondary Social Study by Peter Moss, and you will solve all the questions relevant to each chapter in this copy. And then beta, this is 8 New Countdown second edition. You will solve all the activities, each exercise, definitions from each chapter in these 3 copies. You will use in 3 copies for different times. And last one is I show online with smart computing 8 class, and you will use for this class for book for this copy. And there is a remaining copies. I want to show some copies you will use in maybe term 2, and some copies you will use classwork as well as homework. And then this is packing list. There are multiple copies, multiple books in this card you can see. And last one is this is your homework diary. So do you know very well homework diary? You will write all the diaries from the board in this diary. Okay students, I think have you listened all the relevant to course pack studies? Inshallah we will meet in online classes.